So I noticed this video I uploaded some times ago does not have volume, and I didn't, while editing it, I didn't watch the entire video about how to buy Shiba Inu on Binance. So I am going to add volume to it and then upload it so you guys can understand properly. I believe someone made that known to me, and that's why I have to do this. This is the reason why it's important for you guys to comment, so in case you observe anything or you don't understand anything, all right, I can always correct it. So just check out the video now.
Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. So this video here, I'm just going to show you how to trade on the market to buy Shiba on Binance, and also how to trade on the market option of Binance. All right, it's just as simple as ABC. So already by now, I think it's simpler using USDT. So by now you must have bought USDT, or maybe if you don't have USDT, you can just use the conversion option. When you click on more when you are home, Binance home, you can just use the conversion option where you can just choose. Let's say you have BTC, you can just convert to USDT easily. All right, but now I don't have BTC, but I have USDT. So now what I have to do now is for this conversion to be done, that has been made simpler. You just have to click on market and you have to pay attention here. So now when you click on market, the next thing you type ship, and then you will see at this top here, you will see Shiba slash ship slash USDT 3x, and then you see bust ship slash bust 3x, and there are more than. And all right, so that
So
when you
you see
click on the
the
first
ship
one.
and slash USDT 3x is what you're clicking on, and it will take you to this window where you have ship. So at this point in time, what we want to do is buy. That's why we clicked on buy. That's why I clicked on buy. So buy means that you want to buy Shiba Inu, and then you can see if you want to sell, you see the sell option that is blank right there. All right, so now you click on this place where you see limit, change it to market. All right, the reason why you're changing the market is because you want to sell it instantly. All right, so when you change to market, you click on either you want to sell, you want to buy it instantly. Either you want to buy 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% of Shiba Inu. All right, so let's say you want to buy 100%. Like 100% means that you want to use the entire USDT that you have that to buy the Shiba. So now I want to use the entire 100%, and then when I click 100%, you can see that it is 0.000912 that is displayed. This simply means that the funds is not there to buy the Shiba Inu. See, nothing, even if I am clicking buy ship, it's not reflecting now. And I bought this dollar through P2P. So now what I have to do right here now is to click to go back to P2P and then transfer the funds from P2P wallet to spot wallet on Binance. All right, so that's what I'm just gonna do right here now. So since what we bought was USDT, because USDT is the universal coin for all this conversion on Binance. All right, click on P2P USDT, then click on max. Like for me, I'm transferring everything. That's $15. You can see there to spot wallet. So it's no longer in P2P wallet. As you can see, it's now showing $0.00. So go back, type Shiba slash USDT. All right, ship slash USDT, you can see, then click on buy. After this window, click on buy. You see the market is already there, then click 100%. You can see I'm using the entire $15 to buy. All right, I'm using the entire $15 to buy. That's because I wanted to buy with the entire money. So now once I click on buy ship, it will be done successfully within a twinkling of an eye, that in microsecond. So now that that is done, my phone no longer exists as USDT. You can see if I click max, it's showing 0.000. My phone now exists as Shiba Inu. So if you click and go back to spot wallet, you will see that the fund is now Shiba Inu and no longer USDT. I've automatically exchanged my USDT to Shiba Inu. So it now is a Shiba Inu. I had about $10 of Shiba Inu before. Now you can see everything is about $25 Shiba Inu as at the time this video was being recorded. All right, so is now $25 worth of Shiba Inu. That's about 1.4 million plus. So now if you follow this instruction, this training successfully, is just as simple as ABC, and you don't have anything to lose. So make sure you don't leave it at limit, make sure you don't twist the setting, just follow it as I have done right here, and then you have your Shiba Inu. It's just as simple as that. If you have any challenges, be free to give it to me in the comment section. Like, comment whatever you don't understand in the comment section. All right, it was through the comment I discovered that this video does not have a voice. All right, so you can see there 1.4 million copies of Shiba Inu, pieces of Shiba Inu. The USDT is now zero, there's no fun in it. All right, so it's just as simple as ABC. So if by now you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscription button right there, and then turn off the notification bell button so that whenever I upload a video or I upload a sharp video like this, you always be the first to receive it, and then be able to take action as soon as possible and be able to generate as much as possible. And then also comment on this video, and then share your thoughts, share this video to as many persons as possible. Don't forget to like, as liking a video help the YouTube algorithm to just push that video as far as possible. So this tutorial. I had to buy this dollar just to make this tutorial for you guys, as you know, you guys are so precious to me, so I have to keep investing much funds into tutorials to make sure that you guys learn a lot. So please subscribe. So that's just it. So see you in my next video. Thank you, and stay tuned for next videos.